The Canon RF 35mm 1.8 macro IS STM, so it's image stabilization built into it. This is your box itself that it gets shipped in. We'll go ahead and pop the top off. And first thing we do have, obviously, is your instructions and information and all that good stuff. We're not going to go ahead and read that. We're just going to pass that up. And we'll open up the packaging here. We can see that it comes with some crazy bubble wrap. So we know it's very, very highly protected. And we'll just unwrap that and pull the lens out itself. And we've got this other piece of plastic right here, which we'll just remove, and there we have the lens itself. So we do have this little protector on here on the front end right there, and you can see the lens itself very, very nicely right there. And then we look on the back, and this little piece will pop off, and we can just throw it right onto our camera, which we'll do in a second. We'll just grab the side and we'll look at it. So we've got the automatic focus, manual focus, image stabilization on and off, and that's about it. Everything around there, 35mm, you can see we've got the focus points right there on there. And let's go ahead and grab my Canon R8, and we're going to go ahead and throw it on there. We'll take this lens and stuff off, and then we'll grab this one right here. And it's very easy to put on. You can see it's got the alignment here, so you can see that little dot right there. That will tell you to align it to your camera right up there. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We'll just go ahead and line those up, and we'll just throw it on just like that. And let's go ahead and turn my camera on, and we can kind of see right out of the box what it looks like. I'll actually put this just in automatic mode for now. We'll throw that on there, and there we go. And this is a macro lens, so it should get some very good close focus, and we can see just how close it focuses up to that. That is absolutely amazing how close it focuses up. So very, very happy with the lens, and that is your Canon 35mm.